Well, I've been busy. I traveled to Yosemite, and I'm not even in Yosemite anymore, but I found a pretty cool camp spot after climbing this big ass mountain, I guess. I don't want to tell you what mountain it is because you got to find it yourself. But let me show you this. Maybe I could stay here for a little while. I slept in the FJ last night because I didn't get here till nighttime. So coming in, it was dark. I didn't get to see anything, but I could tell those mountains were big. So here I am, the day before Thanksgiving. Should I stay here and celebrate Thanksgiving? Or should I find another place? You know, forest fires have just decimated this forest. But I don't know, it'll grow back. You see babies everywhere, baby trees everywhere. I mean, it's sad, yes, because I tell you what, some of these trees were probably so majestic. And you probably couldn't see half of what you can see now. So, I mean, I don't know, whatever. Forest fires happen. Just don't be the one to start them. It's not hard to follow the rules. I don't know if I want to stay on top of this mountain. This wind is a bit much. Wind is not your friend, especially in a forest of burnt, dead trees. I think I'm going to pass, but this is pretty epic, and I've marked it. Crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. That's what I'm thinking. I have no idea where I'm at. I just keep taking trails. I know I'm near a certain mountain. That mountain. But look at this. You know, I went from like burnout pine forests and sequoia trees to almost a desert. A very beautiful desert. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed my trek through the trails of Yosemite National Park, as well as the surrounding public land of all these different forests that I can't remember the names of. It's been quite the adventure. As you can see, I got a campsite here. I've been here for a while, 4 days now. Got this newest episode, part 2, edited and ready to go. But the one thing I'm realizing is I'm running out of money. I don't have much left. What am I going to do? I don't know, to be exact. So I got to figure something out. I guess this is the point of the show where I start asking my subscribers for help. Not sure if that's going to work, but I've seen other YouTubers do it, so I guess I should try to do it too. Would you like to see me keep on going? Would you like to see more episodes? Then if you can, help me out, man. I don't know what else to say. I'm usually not the type of person to ask for help, but in this case, my fans are all I got, I guess. And I can't hang out up here in the north. It's not even December yet. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. It's going to get cold here. This part of the forest that I'm in, they're actually going to shut down in the next 2 weeks because it gets really bad. So I'm thinking about going into one of these small towns and looking for work. I don't know. But if you'd like to be a part of my team and help me out in any way you can, that would be great. I will put a link to my PayPal because that's really the only way I know right now. I have to figure some stuff out. This isn't really what I had planned. So, wish me luck. I got to get out of here. I brought like 5 cans of propane with me. And this heater, it uses like a can every 5 hours. And I'm down to 1 can. It's like 7 in the morning. I won't have enough heat for an entire night. I mean, I sleep fine at night with my sleeping bags, but I tell you what, getting up in that freezing cold is not cool. So, let's see what happens. Wish me luck.